Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on a 2008 to 16 Ford Super Duty. Tools needed for this install is a quarter ratchet, a short 8mm socket, and a plastic panel popper. Let's pop that tailgate open and get started. First, we're going to remove two 8mm bolts, this one and that one. Next, using your panel popper, we're going to use it to pop the taillight off. After that, we're going to remove these two bulb sockets here. This one is your brake, turn signal, and parking. And this one here is your reverse light bulb socket. So go ahead and turn it counterclockwise to disconnect it. And for the reverse light bulb socket, you're gonna press down on the tab and disconnect the harness. Then from here, we're gonna turn it counterclockwise to remove the reverse light bulb socket. Now go ahead and bring over your new tail light. Flip it over to the back here. We're gonna grab this connector. It powers the brake, parking, and turn signal. We're gonna stick it in the bulb socket here. You want to make sure the negative wire matches up with the negative wire. And then before we install it back into this assembly, you want to make sure the rubber gasket seal is intact to prevent any moisture. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, you're going to grab your reverse light bulb socket. You want to make sure the rubber gasket is intact as well. Now go ahead and install it into the taillight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it and grab the connector and plug it in. Now we're ready to seat the taillight. You want to make sure these two ball sockets here line up with the holes so that we can pop it in place. Go ahead and reinstall your two 8mm bolts. And now that we're finished installing the driver's side tail light, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Now that we're finished installing our tail lights, let's close the tailgate and test all the tail light functions.